Hey there! Thanks to your help, I recently reached 1,000 subscribers on this channel, which means, well, I should probably start to make something that at least resembles a plan. So here it is. This year, I'll be trying my best to create and post weekly videos. I'm not sure about which day for uploading will work best, but hopefully that will develop as time goes by. I'm definitely going to continue to make tutorials. However, I would really like to start making more short, snappy, and informative videos like the one I recently made on beginner mistakes. Now, weekly videos means I'm gonna have to come up with more ideas, which is fine, but if you ever have an effect or something you want to see in a tutorial, drop a comment down below in any of my videos and I'll be sure to check it out. I also hope to release more products, both free and paid, on Gumroad. And for all upcoming tutorials, I'll be accompanying them with free project files, so you don't have any issues following along. If you want to stay up to date with releases, you can check out and follow my Gumroad by following this link below. Anyway, that's pretty much all I wanted to say, so yeah, it's a very short video. But thanks again for helping me reach this point, and you can follow me on Instagram if you want, the link's in the description. Thanks.